Yesterday, on the occasion of Mahashivratri, we performed the Panchamrita Abhishekam to Lord Mahadev. In this Panchamrita Abhishekam, the milk, curds, ghee, honey, and sugar is given to the Lord Mahadev by the way of Abhishekam. Also, cut fruits are also offered to Lord Mahadev. It was a night full of bliss and tranquility here. Thousands of people had converged to take the blessings of Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati on this holiest occasion where both of them entered the celestial wedlock.